All right. Now we'll start the recording process. How very sophisticated English. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the whole region of data, right? One of the things you must be aware of is you must select the labels as well. If you don't select the labels, what will happen is the graph will be drawn without just series 1, series 2, and then you have to introduce the series names. Yes, so don't forget to include the labels so that they come automatically, but not that you can't change it, but it's easier if it is done in one shot. Then you insert, click the insert button, go to column, and you can pick a variety of things. I'm going to pick this same one here. Why not? Huh? So now it gives you that. Now what you have is what we had see, if you look at this, there are a number of things happening. It picks up the second column as the ordinate or y-axis automatically. The first column is picked as the x-axis. Do you understand that? It also puts these into the various the tick positions as well. Yes. Now we have to what we have not succeeded. Oh, there's another thing we can do now. Remember I spoke to you about changing what is in each of these into animation. Now this is just a blue box. Yes. Now if I go and I've selected that, if I go to layout, that's the one I selected. Yes. So I pick on layout. I've selected the rainfall figures. I pick format selection. Right? Do you understand? Then now I'll just keep it on this a little somewhere here. Now look at these gaps. See how I can adjust that. See that's separated. At the moment there's a gap with 0%. If I do this, it gets overlapped or separated. Now we keep it at 0 there. That is not 0. Come on, move. Okay, that's 0. Now look at this gap. No gap, large gap. Yes? I'm going to decrease the gap. See what happens. As I decrease, it gets less and less. Now I don't want to make it any less because I'm going to put a cow in there. How do? I go to fill. Now in the fill I want to put a picture there, and the picture, it puts a picture but just puts a texture. I don't want to pick texture. I don't know, sorry, I want to put a picture. Where the hell is the picture? Sorry, picture or text file. Now picture, I want to go to a file or clipart, sorry, clipart. In clipart I'll look for a picture. Remember last time we found a cow. So I'll put the cow here, and what it does is it puts a cow in there. Now the cow at the moment looks a bit squashed. So we can make the cow look a bit nicer by stretching this, so you can see the bottom coming into some kind of reasonable size. Now if you find this gap still too far away, you can click on that and again go to format selection and adjust the gap a little further, and it will touch. No gap. The gaps are almost back to back. You understand? Now keep a watch when you record. Keep a watch on this one here. It can take only a maximum of 15 minutes. Now please, this is a general idea. When you make a video, don't make it longer than 5 minutes. It's very boring after 5 minutes. You understand? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop now.